There is something crossing the solar system right now, and it is carrying water, but not just any water. Water that does not exist anywhere on Earth, not anywhere inside our sun, not anywhere on our planets. Water that has 40 times more of one element than all the water we have ever drunk in the entire history of humanity. And the worst part is this. On May 15th, 5 days ago, NASA confirmed that this water came from an alien solar system. This video is about the Comet 3I Atlas and about what it is really bringing from another star. I read the full paper. It was published in April 2026 in the journal Nature Astronomy. The research came from a team at the University of Michigan working with ALMA, the largest radio telescope in the world, located in Chile. And this week, Brazilian headlines started to appear, but nobody is explaining what this really means. I am going to show you what deuterium is, why this strange water is impossible on Earth, why this may be one of the biggest clues about life in other star systems, and the one detail almost nobody is talking about. In 5 minutes, this story gets even more bizarre. Before I start telling this story, I need one thing from you. Comment right now before you watch the rest. Do you think this discovery means there is life in another star system? 1. Yes. 2. No. No extreme answer, just your instinct. Comment your number. I promise I will read all of them tonight, because at the end, I am going to ask you again, and I want to see if your answer changes. To understand how big this discovery is, we need to go back to July 1st, 2025. The Atlas telescope in the Chilean desert detected a tiny point of light moving in a strange way. Astronomers calculated its trajectory, and the result made the scientific world stop. That object did not belong to our solar system. It came from outside, from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, near the center of the Milky Way. Its speed was 221,000 kilometers per hour, 61 kilometers per second. It was only the third interstellar object ever confirmed by science. Before it, in 2017, there was Oumuamua. In 2019, there was Borisov. And now 3I Atlas. It wandered through interstellar space for billions of years, and then it passed right here, through our cosmic backyard. But what it was carrying, nobody imagined. It was discovered when astronomers from the University of Michigan pointed ALMA at it, and they heard something. Let us start with the basics. All the water that exists here on Earth is made of two things: 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. But there is a rare version of hydrogen called deuterium. Imagine a hydrogen atom carrying extra weight, 1 extra neutron. When deuterium replaces a normal hydrogen atom inside a water molecule, it creates something different: heavy water, EO. On Earth, for every 20,000 water molecules, only 3 contain deuterium. It is rare, very rare. And ALMA detected that 3I Atlas has 40 times more deuterium in its water than Earth. To understand how insane that is, normal comets in our solar system usually have about twice as much deuterium as Earth's water, but 3I Atlas has 20 times more than normal comets. It is the absolute record ever measured in any object ever observed by humanity. Wait, before the next chapter, let me ask you something. Do you remember the first time you realized that water, the water you drink, comes from somewhere in the universe? For me, it was watching Cosmos with Carl Sagan when I was a kid. Comment the moment when you understood that the water from your faucet is billions of years older than the entire Earth. It can be a simple answer. I will read all of them. Now comes the question that matters. Why is this water different? The answer is one word: temperature. Deuterium does not appear in water by magic. It appears when water forms in extremely cold environments, cold like minus 150 degrees Celsius, cold from before the birth of a star. In our solar system, water formed under specific conditions about 4.5 billion years ago. But in the original star system of 3I Atlas, that water formed in conditions that were much colder and much older. Scientists calculated that this comet may be 7 billion years old, older than our sun, older than every planet we know. When that deuterium became trapped inside that water, Earth did not exist. The sun did not exist. Our galaxy was different. And now this frozen piece of another world is passing through our backyard, carrying water from an era that never existed here. But that is only part of it, because the detail almost nobody is talking about is what this discovery means for the search for life outside Earth. This is the part that changes everything. For decades, scientists have asked one question: where did Earth's water come from? One of the most accepted theories is that comets carrying water bombarded the early Earth about 4 billion years ago, and that water became our oceans. But there was a problem. The water in normal comets has more deuterium than Earth's oceans. So where did Earth's water really come from? 3 Ice Atlas answers part of that question. Water can come from different regions of a star system. Some regions are richer in deuterium, others are poorer. And here is the disturbing point. If the chemistry of water in other star systems can be this different, could life use that different water to exist? Bacteria on Earth cannot live in water with too much deuterium. It is toxic to us. But what if, in another system, life evolved inside heavy water? Life that cannot exist here, but could exist there. This comet is not just a piece of ice flying through space. It is a time capsule carrying chemistry from a place where maybe, just maybe, something once lived. Here I need a serious favor from you. The channel is growing, and every comment helps the algorithm understand that this topic matters. So answer this and choose a side. Team A, you think this discovery is just interesting chemistry. Team B, you think this is a real clue about life outside Earth. No extreme answer, just your opinion. Comment your letter below. And if you are enjoying the video, leave a quick like. It helps me a lot to keep making videos like this. There is something cruel about this story. 3 Ice Atlas is not coming back. Never. It is on a hyperbolic trajectory. It has escape velocity, enough to leave our solar system forever. In a few years, it will be so far away that no telescope on Earth will be able to detect it anymore. And it will keep traveling toward the constellation Cancer for billions of years. Every observation we make right now may be our last chance to understand what it is. ESA, the European Space Agency, is studying a mission to intercept future interstellar objects. The program is called Comet Interceptor, but missions like that take decades to develop. And when the next opportunity arrives, maybe in 20 or 30 years, 3 Ice Atlas will already be billions of kilometers out of reach. So what is left from this story? A comet from a star system nobody can identify, carrying water unlike anything that exists on Earth. 40 times more deuterium, 7 billion years old, older than our planet, older than the sun, older than everything we know. For a few weeks, it passes nearby. And while we argue about whether science is worth investing in or not, this comet keeps leaving in silence. And with it goes an answer humanity may never get another chance to discover. Water from other stars is different. Life may be different too, but to confirm it, we have to look, and time is running out. One last thing. Remember at the beginning when I asked if you thought this discovery meant life outside Earth? Now, after everything, did you change your mind? Comment below. Before I thought X. Now I think Y. I will read all of them. I promise. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, because the next video is about the moving stripes on Mars that NASA photographed and then stopped talking about. I will see you there.